Here you are. My couch looks like a toy store. Hey, you sleeping with all your toys? Yeah. You sleeping with all your toys? Yeah. Yeah. It's a hard life, isn't it? Yeah. Get your eyeballs. Yeah. It's a hard life. Oh, there we go. Why do you gotta jump around? Why can't you normal dog it and just lay on my lap? Why you make me... Okay, come. 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 Look at your little muscle legs. Come snuggle. Come snuggle. I know you want to. Come. 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 You're not jumping off of there. Oh, so early in the morning on a Saturday. Come here, buddy. Come. I know everything makes you angry. Everything makes you angry. Yeah, you got some anger. Some... Yeah, you tell them. You tell those plants. Are you just holding your bunny from falling? Mama can fix Buffy. She's fallen. Here. Here. There. Is that better? Is that better? Or not? Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay, move back. There. There. I fixed Buffy. I'm making toast. Stop. It's sad. Titan. No. Round 2 on the table. Okay, I do love you a lot, but wow. Yeah, I know. You want kiss? Okay. Are you mad because Mama's cleaning? I'm sorry. Is that why you tried to eat my beats? Hey? Is that why you tried to eat my beats? My headphones? Are you sorry?